Guys, welcome back. So today we are taking our weekly trip to Barnes and Nobles so that the girls can find some books, and because we have a membership here, the savings really add up. These girls can browse and browse and browse and browse these books, and as long as they are reading, it is well worth the trip.
Oh, whoops. Does have more than one story. Oh, yeah. I remember these were popular. I think it was like you had to take care of this thing.
Oh jeez, yeah. This is from Japan, so it's probably really well made. So that explains its price. I'm just gonna hand you with this.
Just anything else, Kat? You want to go up and get a drink?
No, but I thought that was cute.
It's in the cafe. No? Okay.
Oh, venti?
I thought it was all. Yeah, I didn't know it was.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
No, it wasn't obvious. You didn't have to say it.
Yeah, I thought you guys knew.
No.
You could have actually.
Well, we didn't notice.
We just thought it was his character.
Yeah, thanks a lot. You do.
What you find? Oh, nothing.
Look it.
Jordan.
Spoilers, people. I don't recognize these guys.
Or her.
Yeah.
They look.
Jinchuriki.
What?
What is it?
It's Dwight. It's Dwight from The Office.
Are you gonna put any posters up? Because you have plenty that's not up already. So I don't think you are.
I want that thing out of my room that just put in there.
Take it out. Yes, I am. We might. Depends on how I feel. There's that weird game y'all play. Right there.
Banana?
Well,
Oh, they have goosebumps.
the one next to it was the one I was talking about.
Yeah, this is fun. Yeah, this is fun. Look how you look at this book.
I don't know how to feel about it.
Look at this. Guys. Scary. What is that? I didn't know they had a series of books.
Yeah, you didn't know? Wow.
I followed his Instagram. No, he makes like a Beast Boy comic, and I followed his Instagram. I remember he would always show these books on his stories, and here it is. Wow! I wonder if they have the rainbow one. Oh, look! It's where the wall things are. Oh.
Your worst nightmare was interesting.
Do we have Monopoly already? Okay guys, so we have to make one more pit stop, and that is to stop by Target and pick up some dog food. Hopefully we will be in and out.
So we're at Target and we're looking at the dog food. And it's Peak, right? The red bag? Peak? The red bag? Okay, hold on. I sent it. Okay. Yeah, Peak. Yeah, that's the one we were looking at. Yeah, it's a lady on it with a dog. It's Rachel Ray. Yeah. Alright, I'm just checking if we were getting the right one. Alright, you're just checking. Uh-huh. Bye-bye.
That's just $6?
Huh?
No, this has nothing in it.
It's just an open space?
Okay. Wait, what is this?
A divider?
Oh yeah, this is the Vento.
Oh, I thought it goes like this.
Vento box.
I think it goes like this.
And we're there.
So I'm out here with my little crew,
What are we looking for?
Bird cage.
A bird cage. So we've already been to PetSmart, and now we're gonna try Petco. My husband asked me to find a bird cage, so we're gonna try to grab one and get back home quickly. All right, see you guys inside.
They get much higher. They don't get any cheaper than this.
That's too small,
That's only 1 foot, I think. 1 foot and some.
and I don't know how big that. What is this one down here? Same thing.
This one's up to 7 inches tall. Or 7-inch tall bird. Which is 20. Which is just a foot and some more inches. I wonder what they're doing.
Maybe, right? All right, and away we go. Close it.
Okay, guys, so Jordan is the animal lover in our home, but while they're being entertained by Charlie, I'm going to make a quick run to Costco and give you guys an update on the master bedroom. So we're going to go over this small Costco haul. We have some sliced mozzarella, yogurt, cheddar cheese. We got some chicken breasts. So it's like a 2-pack or whatever. Beef hot dogs, pulled pork, butter, sour cream, some raspberry crumble cookies. So that's how those look. Some Danish, and these are cherry filled Danish, and these are cream cheese Danish. Some cinnamon rolls, strawberries, blueberries. Got some corn on the cob. Turn it around. All right, some corn on the cob. Sweet potato fries. 5 romaine lettuce. Lasagna, and it's a 2-pack. Ground beef. Cheetos. Some buttermilk pancake mix. Some Nilla wafers. Okay guys, so these are the original curtains I had hanging up in the room, and I am switching them out for some white ones I purchased. Which ones do you guys think look the best? These neutral curtains or the white ones? Personally, I like the neutral, but I'm gonna try the white ones out anyway. curtains. As you can see, originally I have 2 silver rods, and I picked this black one up that goes downstairs, and it ain't even on straight, but I just wanted to see if I like the curtains up, which I don't. I don't like the curtains, so I don't know. They look okay, you know, in the daytime. I'm not sure. So yeah, there's that. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I prep collard greens with smoked ham shanks in them. I think if it was left up to my husband, I would cook greens at least once a week. Okay, so right here, I just picked the greens and I'm about to put them in the sink and wash them. Okay guys, we're going to put our shanks in boiling water and boil for 25 to 30 minutes or until we have a nice cloudy stock. In the meantime that this has made some stock, and I just added a little bit of salt to it. I haven't added pepper yet. I'll probably do that later, but I've added salt and a little more water to create a little bit more stock before we put the greens in. Okay guys, so now I have soaked the greens in vinegar and water and salt, and we're going to give them a final rinse and strain before we put them in the pot. Okay guys, so we are going to let this cook down a little bit before we put the lid on, and then we're going to cook them for about an hour and a half or until they are tender. Okay, so it's on to an ice cream date with my husband. It is always fun to sit down and chit chat with him and catch up. I am having the pineapple milkshake, and he is having mango Thai ice cream. Hey, thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.